Hello everyone, welcome to Kidsybitsy by Jitashi, and today's activity is really special. It is like bringing out the childhood memory alive on the canvas for me. Remember doing that spray painting with toothbrush and watercolor on the paper? So I enjoyed that activity a lot during my childhood. So this painting is a spray painting and I did this by using acrylic spray on the canvas board, and I used the thread also to get this beautiful pattern on the canvas. So let's begin with the activity.
ओए वीडियो शुरू होने से पहले सब्सक्राइब का बटन दबा देना ताकि आप लोग हर वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन पा पाए। शुक्रिया। ओए वीडियो शुरू कर दे।
If you enjoyed this video, do let us know in the comment section, hit like button and subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching.